Hello, hello. Thanks for tuning in. I've been working on this repository here for a little bit now. Oh, maybe I should pull up the repo, not just the example. Let's see here. All right. So this repository right here, been working on it. And yeah, so I had made this one component, GetBalance.vue, and I'll show it right here, which is fine, and it's still technically getting the balance, but it's now doing a lot more than just getting the balance. And so I'm thinking I'll clean it up a little bit, especially if anyone else wants to follow along. It should make it more clear what's required just for each one. So I think I'm gonna break it up into several components real quick here. If I stream for very long tonight, this will probably be a small portion, and I might end it and start a new stream if I switch gears here. So, I'd already done a little bit of cleanup, but since after doing this cleanup, I realized I want to break it into at least 3 different files. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see, copy that. And this one is going to be get transactions. And then this one will be get crowd node balance. Ooh, that's tricky not being able to see that. All right. Maybe I'll resize this a little bit. There we go. All right, so let's start with transactions here. And I guess I could switch back to here. So transactions isn't even shown right now. Let's see. So when I click get transactions, this is what shows up. So these are all the most recent transactions for this address. So I'm going to go ahead and break this into its own little component here. I think this is it right here. I'm going to go ahead and delete DashSocket. And yeah, something like that. And let's see. So now we've got what? We need show balance. Oh, that's nice. Oh, wait, no, because this one isn't even highlighting. But these are pretty obviously ones I deleted. I was trying to see which things I'm using versus which ones I deleted. Transactions. I'm gonna leave that for now. I might trigger this get transactions when the component is loaded, so that's why I'm leaving it. I don't think I need get instant balance. Which means I don't need that. So we can delete that. I don't need crowd node balance, which means I also don't need crowd node. And I don't need the DashSocket stuff. So what do we got here? And I don't think I need these test addresses in here either. Okay. I don't need that, and I don't think I need balance. I can delete that. Where's balance getting called? So show balance. Show balance. So maybe I'll rename this to show transactions. And we'll do if we're going to change this to transactions.value.length. Is greater than 0. Yeah, I think that should work. Okay. Save that. And now we can delete balance. Let's go ahead and remove that. Let's rename this to DashSight GetTransactions. And what else do I want? I think I'm gonna do that and this. Which is kind of weird, but essentially I'm grabbing those 3 values and then outputting them as their own object. Okay, so the other thing I need is props, I think. Oh, I might not need watch either. Will I? I don't recall exactly how to get props. Is there a... Have not done Vue enough in recent times, so I might need to look that up. Let's see. Vue.js, is it? And what version are we on? Somebody lists the version somewhere. Am I missing it? Oh, okay. It used to default to Vue 2, so yeah, you're reading the Vue 3. It's just not as prominent anymore. Okay, so for default, what am I? I don't think this is what I'm thinking of. This is still not what I'm thinking. Composition? I want the composition. It's a little more, right? Okay. Show me the composition API, please. Yeah, I don't think that's showing me how you do it in composition. I don't want that search. Where's the search? There we go. Composition. Maybe we'll check out this. Is that what's going wrong? Is I have to export default? I thought there was a way around this now. Man, I wish I could remember. Let's see. Composition props. Man, this is annoying. So this is what I'm thinking of. So this setup thing, script setup eliminates the need to wrap things like that, but I don't know how to find the freaking documentation. Oh wait, script setup? Maybe this is what I'm looking for. So message hello, find prop. So script setup, form input, whatever, using directives, define props. Aha! That's what I've been trying to think of. Do I need to import it? Let's see. Define props. Oh, I knew there was something like that. Okay, so let's see. Although, I mean, they're not listing as it needing to be imported right there, so maybe it doesn't. I don't know. Let's go down here and I wonder what happens if I remove that. Does it complain? Doesn't seem like it's complaining. Yeah, that ain't breaking. So yes, you don't need to add define props. Okay. So define props, and what do I want to define? I want the address. So address is a string. And what do we want to do here? What does with defaults do? One drawback of the type only defined props declaration is that it doesn't have a way to provide default values for the props. Okay. To resolve this problem, a with defaults compiler macro is also provided. So define props. Okay. All right. And then the other thing I want to look at is let's see. You might need to comment. I don't know. I want, let's see, before created, before mounted, or updated, or unmounted. Called after the component has been mounted. Does this get called? I'm assuming updated gets called. I don't know. After it's created too? Activated? I don't know. Basically, I want anytime the address gets updated for it to know and trigger the change. I don't know if I really need to do much for that though. So let's see. So, oh yeah, we need to show transactions does that. So transactions.value. So do we do props watch props.address? And then maybe this? Something like that. Maybe that'll do it. I'm not sure. All right. This, for now, I'm going to import it into here. It's probably not the best place to do it, but let's see, get transactions. All right, and we're going to do that. And then down here, we're going to do get transactions address is equal to address, and we probably want to bind or something like that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's see what happens. Ooh, errors. get balance. This could be due to something or other. Let's take a look. Source. Failed to, oh, derp d derp, because it's in the same level. So that might work, should work, might work. Okay. And let's do that. And get transactions. All right. No, that didn't quite work. Let's clear this out. And you know what? This WebSocket stuff is getting distracting. So I'm going to go ahead and disable it. I think that should disable it. Valid watch source. Invalid watch source. Oh, maybe that's actually in the other component. Okay. Let's see. And we've got this, and we do that, and we get transactions. So we got some, but this is saying a watch source can only be a getter effector function or an array. So did it say? Yeah, it's in GetTransactions. So I can't watch props dot. All right, let's see how to deal with this. Watch a comparative API for creating watchers. I don't want that. Ugh, go away. Let's try this. What am I looking for? I'm using. Maybe I'm gonna search watch effect because it might get me in the right documentation location. So watch effect. Maybe it was the right documentation location. Computed properties. Takes enter value and returns a reactive mutable ref object which has a single property. So that's not what I'm looking for. All right, let's see. Composition API watch prop Vue.js. See watch. So setup props. Watch. This prop name is. So what if I do this? Well, it's not complaining yet. Ooh, now it is. Failed to get execute text. Oh, because it's acting like address is not set. Because address is not set. But do I need this address? That's what I'm wondering. So I wonder if I can do this. Let's try that. Clear, refresh. Nope. Failed to execute text. Undefined. So let's maybe do DDR and previous ADDR. All right, and then if that's set, then what do we do? Address dot value is equal to props address. And we want address, it's not address, and get. All right, let's try this out. Oh, hey, no error. I'm not sure that's quite right. What's going wrong here? Wait, is it showing? That's, I kind of assumed it would show both of them, not just one of them. That's a little bit odd, but you know what? Not that big of a deal. Let's go ahead and delete this one. Save and refresh. All right, let's try again. Look at that. Well, I guess it doesn't even need the get transaction. Oh, okay. So by passing the address, it apparently does not need the get transactions button. Oh, I guess I'm okay with that. Hmm. Yeah, I'm okay with that. But at first I'm just gonna comment it out. So now that eliminates one button. Um. Okay, let's see. So now let's do the crowd node one. We can delete that. Oh, there's one more I need to make. That's right. So copy and paste and not docket, socket. All right, so instead of doing the crowd node one right now, maybe I'll do crowd node. Not that I started all that much, but so let's delete those. And I think we can delete all of that. So that gives us crowd node card. And for this, we probably don't need the address, but I think we're probably going to want the, similar to this get transactions, we're going to want something like this. Actually, maybe I should just go ahead and copy that. And paste. Okay. We don't need transactions. We don't need insight stream. I don't think we need balance. We might need address and crowd node balance. So disable those ones or delete those ones, I should say. Don't need either of those. We don't need the test addresses or DashSocket or DashSight. Is that right? Okay. So I wanted that. So crowd node balance value. And we don't need get transactions. We need get crowd node balance. But I might not. I might want to trigger this some other way. I might not want this loading as soon as the component loads, but for now, yeah, it is what it is. So if show crowd node balance, we might, since we're doing that inside for the H3s, or I'll do both. Or that. So if we've got the balance or the error, we show that. Okay. Wait, did I get an error? Or is that because of something else I did? Well, let's clear that. Um, I might want to do if address dot value does not equal an empty string, we go ahead and do this request. But if it is, there's no reason to do the request. But I might want to do that in transactions too. Something like that. Okay. So let's include this component now. We'll do it in the same get balance area, which I'll also refactor this once I'm done here. This was CrowdNode, I think, right? So get CrowdNode balance and that, and we go down here. We add the component. Close the tag. It also needs address. Okay, and I think that means we'll be able to disable this button as well. Right, save. Let's see, any errors? No errors yet. Boom. All right, address not found. It did crowd node. Cool. All right. So that's two of them working. Let's do the dash socket one now. So dash socket we have here. We can delete that and delete all of that. So dash sockets. Oh, actually, I think we can delete all of this stuff. I don't think we need the address for dash sockets. I think we need insight stream. Don't need any of this. Don't need crowd node or any. Oh, okay, there. That's what we need. So re-enable this. And don't need DashSight. Do I need this? Yes, I do. Okay. Gotta re-enable that. And we can delete that. And we can delete watch and watch effect. Yeah. And get transactions. All right. Okay. Let's copy that. Go in here. All right, and that. And down at the bottom here. Hello, hello. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to say hi, introduce yourself, ask any questions, you know, whatever. And we don't need the address for this one. And we can delete this. I think this should work. So we'll refresh. Dash socket trying. There you go. Let's see. I didn't like that the message was displaying even though nothing was visible. So I might add a function. Let's do like this one. So show show stream. I'll just call it show stream for now. It's not. Nah. I'm gonna call it socket stream. And we want to show the socket stream if, let's say, insight stream I think something like this. So type of is string or insight stream dot let's do value out, I guess. I don't know. That should work. And we're gonna do a v dash if equals. Whoa, missed an F. F that. All right. Show socket stream. And that's a function. All right, save. Okay. Is it gonna work? No, it's not gonna work. uh oh, I wonder. So what if I make a ref and I call it show socket stream and I set its value to that? Will that work? I don't know. I'm gonna find out. And then I think I'd do this. Save. All right, let's see. Do 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 do. This is taking a little while. Oh, but it's still not showing. Okay, that's plot thickens. Constant ref. Maybe I want to do false, and then show socket stream dot value is equal to that. Let's see if that works. Nah. But it does work if I remove this. Wait, did I include it? I did include it. I included it. Okay. It does show without that. So I just need a way of getting this stuff correct. Oh, I know why. Dot value. I'm a derp. Okay. Well, maybe. Maybe I'm a derp. Let's see. Maybe that'll fix it. Any moment now. Any day. You can do it. Come on, WebSockets. Oh, darn. What about if I do The anticipation is killing me. Let's clear that and clear that. That clearly did not work. So type of insight stream value is equal to a string or value and value out. Let's see. Say is block and is object. So is blocked or is object. And then I'm gonna come down here and do this block or else. Still not showing. Site stream, show socket stream, dot value, false, value is should show socket stream. It should return one of those. Oh wait. I did something wrong. Copy. And that. Okay. I don't know if that'll fix it. No, it didn't fix it. Oh, what's going on? Maybe I'll do this. So insight stream is null. If gonna disable that for now and disable this. An insight stream only gets set up there, so it should initially be null. So if insight stream is not equal to null, save and refresh. Okay, I'm going to clear that. Whoa, is block. What did I do? Is block, that's why. So let's re-enable that. Okay. And now let's clear and refresh. So we've got, aha. Oh wait, but I wasn't watching. All right, one more refresh. Refresh. Not showing. And come on, don't fail me. Aha, there we go. All right, cool. So now the dash socket thing is working, and I can delete these and these and I'm even gonna delete that stuff. And what else? Guess that's pretty good deletion wise. So now I guess the advantage to having the buttons is I can trigger a refresh of all this data. I don't really need to do it for the Dash socket stream, but let's make sure everything else is working. All right, cool. Looks like it's working. Address not found. Well, all right. So now that that's working, what the other thing I'm wondering is let's look into state. So I would rather in the app up here have the address and stuff set and then call all the components right here. So now it's been so long. This is what I keep complaining about, is it's been so long since I've dealt with Vue. I don't really remember a good way to do the state stuff. I know I used to use like Vuex and crap, but I don't know, like I don't really want to include Vuex just so that I could pass the state between components. However, this quickly gets tedious with component trees, blah, blah, blah. Activity API store. Okay. So that's how they're saying to do it. Is you make a store component with the values you want, and then you import it into each component. I guess that's one way. I kind of wanted I wanted to be able to define something at the top of the app. So what do I want? I want some sort of event handling. Well, let's start by just moving it out, and then we'll test and see what works with these. So cut that, paste it right there, and delete. Oh, we probably don't need the crowd note. Oh, we can clean up the get balance too. Should do that. All right. I'll do that in a moment here. So do that. And then we're gonna delete those. Instant balance. Address. Get instant. Do I need these here? No, I don't. I don't need either of those there. Delete transactions and insight and crowd node. Right, I don't need insight. Yeah, I don't need insight here. I think I will still use disable button. Show balance, not those. No, yes, no, no. I want that for now, but it would make more sense to move it. See, I need DashSight, right? Yeah, DashSight URL. And I don't need any of that. Okay. I think that should still work. So refresh. All right, let's see. Uh, the WebSocket should have kicked on by now. Shouldn't it? Oh, derp, I moved it out. Never mind. Never mind. See, I would like to cut that, paste it here. I might also want to cut that and paste it. And maybe there's a better place for it, but that's where it's going for now. Maybe that's what I want to do. So in create app root props. So maybe I want to add some of the stuff in main. So this stuff would probably go, ooh, yeah. I mean, I was kind of expecting that to break. So let's go to main. We'll do that. Let's see. We wanted create app. Let's create app. I don't know why it's showing two. So create app, root props. Oh, it doesn't show more root props. Cute. And still doesn't show more root props. I mean, maybe I can just do what, like, this, and we can do test addresses and dash address length. Maybe? Ooh. Oh wait, it was already erroring. Failed to resolve get transactions from, does the file, oh yeah, derp, I need to fix that as well. So these are going to be in components. Like so. All right, and save. Okay, different error is not defined. It's not terribly surprising. Let's see. View this get app root props. Let's see how we can access these. Oh, these look old. Props data set, message. Composition, get app root props. Let's see if this will. So how to access props inside script setup. What if I have a prop with the same name as an attribute? Let's set up an example. Props defined, disabled, props. You can define type safe. Props with type script composition. No, this is annoying me. Find root. No, gosh darn it. Wait, is this the same one? It's create app, app is that, create app, data. I don't know about that. Default, whatever. API setup. Utilities, maybe. Let's look at utilities. Provides value that can be injected by descendant components. Oh, maybe that would work. So view provide injection symbols, provide foobar, count, provide foo symbol count. Injects a value provided by an ancestor component or an application. So maybe this is what I'm wanting. Inject foo, inject count. So maybe that'll work. Oh, so I could do it at the app level. To inject data provided by an ancestor component. So app provide message hello. All right, let's look at that then. So, oh wait. So this is app, create app, mount. Oh wait, they don't mount it there, do they? Maybe I'll have to do, let's see. So app provide, test addresses, test address. I wonder if I, I want to see if I can just provide it as an object rather than this way. So where was that? Provide key value. So you do have to do it. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it's fine. So something like that. Well, I mean, at this point, it's kind of dumb to even do that. So I'm going to say that. And then test addresses can be that. And then we eliminate these, but I want that comment. So I'm going to add that there. Okay, and then we do app app.mount, and we can delete that, I think. So let's see if it still loads or blows up worse. All right, it's dash address length is not defined. So now we need to inject. All right, so where was the example of injection that I'm thinking of? Was it on this page? Maybe it was on this page. So there's provide that. Yeah, it was this page. Okay, so inject. Let's copy that, and we go to get balance. I guess we just need inject. So inject. Does it? Let's see. Gosh darn it. Let me just do that. So where are we? I want test addresses. Test addresses. So was it constant test addresses is equal to inject and test addresses, something like that. And then we probably also want, maybe I will move these above. So I'll do paste and that dash address length save. All right, and refresh. Aha. All right. Oh, it's even like working. Cool. And that's working. And what about that? Oh, cool. All right. So at least there's that. Those injections are working. Hmm. What else am I thinking of? That's not what I want. Okay, that solves those two, but I also want to be able to pass the address around. So let's look at this again. Injection aliasing. So I think what I'm wanting now is the define emit, something like that. Define emits or expose. Which one? Compiler macro for declaring a component's exposed instant properties when it is accessed by a parent component via template refs. Components are closed by default. Variables inside the script setup scope is not exposed to the parent unless explicitly exposed. This is only usable inside script is compiled away. Okay. Yeah, versus emits. So let's see if expose is what I want. Define expose. Components using script setup are closed. The component which is retrieved via template refs or parent chains will not expose any of the bindings to explicitly expose properties in a script setup. Use the define expose. Um, hmm. See, Vue.js, access, define expose. Okay, let's see. Refs. Is that what I need? Hello world ref. Then ref null, hello world, something like that. So App.vue version, hello world version. So refs, hello. All right, let's see. So we'll save that again. Actually, what was updating? I didn't pay that much attention. So I got the balance, but none of the other. That's what I expected or was hoping, so Let's see. So we want define expose and version. So define expose and the ref. So we want define expose this and address. Okay. So define expose address. And then we saying ref hello. So we do what? Ref. And refs hello address. So balance.address, something like this. Let's see what happened. Ooh, yeah. So kaboom. Cannot read properties of undefined. Okay. Did I do it wrong? So ref and App.vue. Is this what I need? Maybe. Let's see. No, that's not seeming right. I don't think that's right. Exposes properties on component's template ref, not on the component definition imported from the view. Create a ref with the same name as the template ref. Hello world ref. An app, and then oh, wait. It says App.vue every time. Should that actually? Let's look at this example. So, hello world ref computed and components. Hello world. So, ref view version. Hello world ref. Huh. Find exposed version. World ref. Maybe so. Okay. So maybe I will redo that. We get ref, and then we do balance. let's see what this does. Save. Let's clear that and no, error. Cannot read properties of null of undefined. What about like this? Save. Oh, it's more than nothing. All right, let's try an address. Aha! Okay, that worked. And if we change the address, and what about that? Sweet. Okay. Cool. And if we, yeah. Let's see, change it again. All right. Very cool. What if we click Get Balance? The thing I was thinking is if I want to reload all that data, well, this is working, so Get Balance. So what do? We do Get Instant Balance. So that's what triggers the Get Balance. What I was thinking is I could do something like this. Let's see. Well, no. Let's. Okay. So if we do Get Instant Balance, we could do let temp address equals address value. Address value is equal to an empty string, which should trigger resetting everything. And then we could do address value is equal to temp address. I think. Oh, wait, I got an error. So that. All right. And Get Balance. It did look like it changed, right? I don't know. I don't know if those transactions are right. I thought they were a shorter list before. Well, it kind of looks like that's not doing what I hoped. So maybe I'll just disable it for now, and it is what it is for now. Okay, so delete and whatever. All right. All right. I mean, this is quite a bit cleaner, I think, than it was. So let's see. We've got things kind of broken into logical components. All right, let's maybe, yeah, let's view the diff. So we've got get transactions, get balance. We've got all of that. Get balance. I might change this a little bit. Where are we at? Get balance. It's getting a little long for my liking. So let's do that. And all right. It's a little bit better, I think. I'm roughly okay with the length of these. I mean, these lines are getting long too, but I guess I could do this. Let's do that. That's a little bit shorter. Not much, but a little bit. And this one, I'm fine with. I'm gonna leave that. Okay. What about this one? Let's check. This line is pretty long. I could do that, maybe. Honestly, I think I could do this and it'll still look more or less correct. Let me check here. So, yeah. Okay, that's cool. I'm good with that. What about this one? Ah, that's a really long line. So, oh yeah, I could do this. I like this trick. Doesn't mess with the white space, but it lets you put things on different lines. All right. And I'm going to add some spacing there. Okay. This is a very long line here, so do that. And that. And I'm going to wrap this like so. And okay. So since I just did it for that one, I might as well do it here too. And I think this shouldn't matter as well. So let's do that. All right, that's a little bit better. And I'm okay with this one. All right, let's make sure everything's still working. Yeah, I think that's looking right, but let's refresh and test again anyways. Yeah, I think that looks fine. Let's check one with a balance though, before I forget. This one. Balance. Crowd node address and transactions. All right, very cool. So that is a lot cleaner. Maybe it's not cleaner, but it's more concise. You know what? Actually, one more thing though. Before I move on, I just noticed this. If I'm calling this everywhere, I should move that out into that other function too. So where was that? Right here? Maybe I'll do this. So copy, paste. Nope, don't do that. And I'm gonna call it maybe I will call it DashSight base URL. And then I'm gonna set it to this. Okay. And I can delete that. All right. Now, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? In here, we come down here. So constant that is equal to inject this. But we use it higher up, so it might make more sense to move these up. So let's do that. Yeah, something like that. Okay. And then let's see, only one place in this file, so that's good. All right, and test addresses. It does get used, but it's down there in the HTML, so it doesn't highlight correctly. All right, let's make sure we're still working here. There's an error, but that's probably from something else. Okay, so that's working. I think we're gonna need this in some of these other files. Yeah. So, and replace, delete. Okay. Oh wait, and we need inject. Okay. And what about here? Yeah. And inject. And replace all, delete. Okay. And last file. Place all. Paste. Nope. Too much. Delete. And inject. All right. And let's make sure things are working. It's clear and clear. Ugh. Clear, refresh. Sweet. And socket stream is working. Cool. Awesome. Oh wait, did I just see that? It looked like the address changed after I clicked. Did it? Oh no, I think that little pop-up when it went away when I clicked. Okay, that's fine. So this is pretty good. This is a lot better than it was. It's moved into individual components for each thing. It's cleaned up a lot. I think I'm happy with this. So I'm going to say, break code into individual components. Components. Is that right? Yeah, that looks more right. Let's do break code into individual components. Break. Get balance into logical individual components. Oh, 1 over. Okay. But let's do one last thing here. So we have this using balance, but let's say let's call it dash. So we've got dash and dash and dash and dash. All right, save. Let's save that. Make sure it's still working. Refresh. Okay. Check an address. Okay, cool. All right, sweet. And commit. All right. It's far more than I was intending to do, but yeah, that's pretty good work for a little less than 2 hours. I'm happy with the improvements here. So let's go ahead and did I push? No, I didn't. Let's push the branch to the thing at the thing and the thing here. Yeah, that made sense. Y'all followed. All right, what do we got? What am I missing? Branches. Clean up components. 3 commits ahead. All right, cool. That's what I was looking for. It's got some updates in there. It's got the dash. Very cool. Wait, that's a little odd. Why is it saying that? I'm pretty sure Vite config in master is already updated. Oh, I guess a few things are commented out. Did I delete those? What's going on here? I thought I just recently cleaned this up. Oh, I guess I did delete them. Okay. Oh, I cleaned up a little. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Cool. I'm happy with that. And I'll get that merged sometime tomorrow. Well, maybe tomorrow. I need some code from another repository connected to this merged first. So, all right. Anyways. Yeah. How's everyone doing tonight? Anyone out there? It's like I might have one or two people watching. How are you doing? Let's do a new private window. Close that out. Wait, didn't I? Why is it acting like I have a branch to publish? Is it maybe this other branch? Update crowd node? Let's see. Push. Has no remote branch. That might be it. Update. There we go. That's why it was complaining. All right. And let's switch back to master before I forget. All right. And I can close that. Alrighty then. Check my messages out. What's going on here? What else we got? Messages, highlights. All right, that's good. Looks like I didn't miss anything big. All right, what else to work on? Do I want to work on anything else? Oh, interesting. Twitch added some new chat highlight things and other thingamajiggers. I did want to look into something related to Dash, so maybe I'll look into that right now. So this is what I was working on stuff for, Dash project, and mine was just a little demo example using Vite and Vue.js. Let's see. Historically, nodes in most cryptocurrency networks communicated with each other and the outside world according to a peer-to-peer protocol. The use of P2P protocols presented some downsides for developers, namely, network resources were difficult to access without specialized knowledge or trusted third-party services. To overcome these obstacles, the Dash decentralized API uses Dash's robust masternode infrastructure to provide an API for accessing the network. Dappy currently provides two types of endpoints, JSON RPC and gRPC. The JSON RPC endpoints expose some layer 1 information, while gRPC endpoints support layer 2. So layer 1 is core blockchain, layer 2 is the Dash platform. All right, well, what's the protocol? They want a dark mode for these docs. This is killing me. Okay, oh yeah, this is something I was looking into earlier. Data contracts, instead of smart contracts, they have data contracts for the Dash chain, and this is what I wanted to understand a little bit better. Briefly, in the Dash platform protocol explanation, uses data contracts to define the schema structure of data it stores. Therefore, an application must first register a data contract before using the platform to store its data. Then, when the application attempts to store or change data, the request will only succeed if the new data matches the data contract schema. The first two data contracts are the Dash Pay wallet and the Dash Platform Name Service. The concept of social username-based Dash Pay wallet served as the catalyst for development of the platform, the DPNS providing the mechanism to support usernames. So usernames on Dash. Data contracts are owned by the identity that registers them. Each identity may be used to create multiple data contracts, and data contract updates can only be made using the identity that owns it. Each data contract defines several fields when using JavaScript implementation. Interesting. Let's open that in a new tab. Each data contract must define several fields when using the JavaScript implementation of the platform. Some of these fields are automatically set. Okay. Example contract. Oh wait, that's what I was looking at. Just a little further down. Okay. Structure, registration, dash pay data contract. So avatar, hash, fingerprint, blah, 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 blah. This is a visualization of JSON data contract as UML class diagram for better understanding of the structure. State transition. At any given point in time, the data stored by each application and more broadly, the entire platform is in the specific state. State transitions are the means for submitting data that creates, updates, or deletes platform data. Okay, interesting. Kind of. I don't know. Maybe it's interesting. So what's Dash Pay? I kind of know a little bit about it, but by a little bit, I mean I know it exists. So Dash Pay is one of the first applications of Dash's platform data contracts. Ah, that's right. So they have the Dash wallet right now, and I think Dash Pay will replace the Dash wallet. Contract enables improved Dash wallet experience with features including user-centric interaction, easy payments, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Establishing a contact, implementation. Okay. Let's drive. Use the traditional layer 1 blockchain for data storage is widely known to be expensive and inefficient. Consequently, data for Dash platform applications is stored in Drive, a layer 2 component that provides decentralized storage hosted by masternodes. As data changes over time, Drive maintains a record of the current state of each item to support easy retrieval using DAPI. There are a number of components working together to facilitate Drive's overall functionality. These components are listed below with a brief description. Platform chain, state machine, state, and storage. Okay. Man, this is a lot of words. Don't they know I'm a developer? I want example. Let's switch to this and see what it looks like. So the JS platform protocol. Oh, don't do that. Don't send me back to more. Make a freaking dark documentation. You're killing me. Sweet Marie. Why? Why? Even Material has dark mode, doesn't it? Come on. How does it generate the docs? That's what I want to see. Build web, notation, docs, index. Doxify. Sidebar, whatever. Theme color. So what's Doxify? Let's check out Doxify and see if they've got a dark mode. If it's like an easy PR, I might freaking do a PR on this right now. Freaking heck. Magical, sure, get started. But they're not even showing a dark mode. Come on. Themes. Click to preview. Hey, look, dark mode. Oh, I don't like it. Don't like it. Other themes. Doxify themable, a delightful, simple theme for Doxify. Demo? Hello, thanks for tuning in. Feel free to say hi and introduce yourself. I'm going through some documentation right now. And I'm getting annoyed by the documentation. So now I'm looking at if I can PR it and, you know, give it a dark mode. Because, yeah, it's 2022. Dark mode's a thing. You can even sync it up with the operating system. Why are we living in the past? No, this isn't a great. Let me see. Get started. Well, look, even this one shows the dark mode. Themes. So it's got simple dark. A minimalistic theme containing the default values used. This theme is intended to serve as the most basic. So are they setting it to simple dark or is it toggling? Like, it would be nice if they've got an option that just uses the system theme and chooses. I don't, maybe I can pull up, I don't think the dev tools in Brave or Chrome has an option to toggle the dark mode. I'm not positive, but I'm gonna try and find out here. No, that's not it. So I know that there's a dark mode option. Like you can toggle dark and light mode in Firefox. So I figured I'd look in here first before I swap browsers, but it's been a while since I looked. Am I missing it? I'm not. Code folding, enable tab. I mean, that's my theme, but I don't, let's see. Experiments, maybe it would be in here. Nope. That's annoying. Come on, Chrome or WebKit or whatever the heck you are. Get with the times. It's bad enough this documentation is killing me. All right, let's open up a Firefox. Okay. Ooh. Ruh-roh. Firefox didn't like me doing that. Let's see. Okay, so we're in Firefox. Where's my DevTools? Open DevTools. Do it. Come on. Open on the very wrong screen. All right. This is what they need to add. Hey, look at that. That's all I wanted to verify. I just wanted to see if it would toggle freaking dark or light mode. And yes, Firefox is proving it. That's just the button I need, Chrome or Brave or whatever. Come on. So is this using default then? And will it, okay, so the default does that. Will simple. Aha. Okay. So if you're on the default, it will toggle between the two, it looks like. But if you're not, all right, that's cool. So if, oh, where did that go? Oh yeah, this is Firefox. I'm gonna close that out. I got my answer. Let's see here. So it was saying other themes, Docsify themable. So I want to see, how do you implement Docsify themable? Do you just include it, or do you need it like in addition to Docsify, or is it just you replace it with Docsify? That's what I'm wondering. So quick start. Hey, look at that. That's exactly what I was wondering about. Docsify. Yep. So you just added like that. Cool. I could get behind that. All right, so I could potentially make a PR to where the freak was that. None of those. Not that. That. This is no. Yes? No. So Docsify. Is this using Docsify? It's view source, view page source. Docs. So this is mkdocs. What? Well, so didn't that link me to this? I'm confused. So they've got docs in here using Docsify, but the docs they link you to are using mkdocs. What the what? What the heck? Come on. This is... I don't know what this is. Annoying to say the least. So what's generating the other stuff? I'm freaking confused. I don't know. This is weird. Why are the docs getting generated? You can use mkdocs. I don't want to use mkdocs. Ugh. Why? Ugh. No. Just no. It's like they're trying to make me angry at them. our docs are hosted on readme.io. Yes, I know. And they're all freaking super bright white. I don't know why. It makes me question if you're real developers. Most of the ones I know like dark backgrounds. Ooh, what's that? Library for processing masternode diff messages. Interesting. Built-in Rust. Interesting. What else? So Tender Dash RS platform components. I didn't know they had any Rust stuff for Dash, so that's cool. It is kind of weird. It's got a package.json in there. Argotonal. What is this for? Dash platform Rust components. I kind of almost want to look at the docs, but I kind of almost don't want to. If they have docs. I don't know if this has docs. So the docs I was reading originally did mention something called Drive. So I wonder if this is an interface to Drive. Dash Drive built on top of GrooveDB. Interesting. But where do you import GrooveDB? Oh, there it is. What's Grove? So is this a fork of GrooveDB? Where's Grove? And what is Grove built in? I thought it was Go. Guess I'm wrong. It's not a fork, it's original. With proofs and secondary indices. Is a database system designed specifically for efficient secondary index queries. Proof, speed, and reliability. Is built for use within Dash platform. So name kind is vegan. But where's the is carnivore option? First install Rust up. Story. Oh. Built by Facebook. We chose it because of its performance. Mark is also built on. So it's based on rocks. A database transaction in Grove is a wrapper around the optimistic transaction.db primitive from RocksDB. We currently also have bindings, node Grove. Interesting. That's kind of cool. So GroveDB, test, buffer, interesting. So you can insert whatever, how it works. That's cool. I might want to play with this more later. I like Rust. I like Node. That's cool. I'm definitely gonna toy with this. So RS Drive Explorer. Interesting. I keep saying interesting. If you haven't paid attention to that, every time something catches my eye, I'm like, ooh. But what else is about it? channel nightly. I don't love this so far about these projects in Dash.evo is there's no README. It doesn't look like there's a wiki. It would be really nice if they had like a link or even a README saying like, this is used here. You can see an example of it. I mean, I guess I got to that RS Drive Explorer right here, but then it really doesn't, like, no screenshots. I don't really know much beyond that. RS Merkle, a high performance Merkle tree library. All right. Let's see. So Dash Wallet is the most popular. Dash J. I think I was dealing with this one earlier. I'm not a huge fan of it. Inside API, I was working with something built on top, or maybe even sidestepping this. It's maybe a rewrite, I'm not sure. So DashSight, I think, is somehow connected to this, but maybe not actually dependent on it. Insight UI, interesting. No, that existed. What do we got? I feel like complaining, like I want a link or a screenshot, and as I'm thinking that, I'm like, oh, but I didn't do that in my own repository. Maybe that's what I should do. Maybe I should get an example of what I just pushed deployed. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Yeah. Let's see. I might do some stuff off screen for a second, but yeah. So I'll probably put what I was working on. I'll probably throw it onto Vercel. Let's see. But I think I'm gonna take a break for a couple minutes to get a drink. So I'm gonna set a little timer here. Let's see. And where are we at? All right. And here we go. Alrighty, and I didn't even need the full 2 minutes. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, what am I looking up again? Was it Vercel? Vercel. Let's see, Vite? No. Documentation, maybe. Vite. Oh, that's something I need to test, actually. Did I? Darn it. Dag I freaking closed the window. I need to reopen it. Reopen the Vite project. Okay. Move this back over here. Okay. Something I don't think I've tested recently. Let me switch back to the branch I just worked on. So clean up. I don't think I've tested the build process. I've only been running dev. So I know dev works. Okay. So let's test build. Ooh. Ooh, that is that was far more than I was expecting. It did not like that. Why did it dislike that so much? Oh, and it's not even showing it. Unexpected dash core lib min. Well, that's what the heck? I don't know what to do about that. That's let's try a different terminal. Maybe it's a bug with VS Codium. Let's see. Okay, let's see if we can run in here. Build. Ooh. What the heck? That's going to be problematic for deploying a static site. Especially when it won't show me the error. Can I... What if I do error.log? Did that work? Let's... No. Well, it kind of worked, but no, not really. Is there another area? Maybe that's what I should do. Let's see. Vite error log. No, that's not. Build fails, TypeScript, all error. Hmm. When an error occurs. Nah, that's not what I'm looking for. What am I looking for? I don't even know. What the heck? Maybe it would be a config setting, build options. See. Set false to disable writing bundle to disk. This is mostly using programmatic. SAR worker preview server shared options. Log level. Adjust console output verbosity. I mean, that's great, but I want to know how to save the errors. Let's see, save error log. Def, extremely slow. I mean, I did try something like that, but um, I wonder about that actually. Just that import meta thing. I wonder if huh. What if I comment this out? And that wasn't actually what I was thinking, but the other thing I was thinking was in here, this import meta, I don't know, it's not being used, so maybe if we remove that. So let's give this a shot. Where's that freaking terminal window? Is that it? Okay. So, yeah. Let's see. Unbuild. Oh, what the freak is happening? Oh, look. A little more. I mean, it's still not great, but it's more than it was. So, huh. Unexpected token in dash core lib. Hmm. So maybe we need to add exclude and let's see if this works. Is it like, I mean, I'll try it. Let's see. No. Maybe with the full. Still no. Exclude. Sure. Optimize steps. Include. I don't want include. I want exclude. Hmm. Well, where is this being used? What is it? Node modules slash star. Um. Well, that doesn't make sense. Shouldn't it be in there? Uh. So dash core lib is used where? Inside crowd node. So let's pop open crowd node here. This might actually be the PR that I made. But I know AJ was working on this tonight, but I don't think he committed the change. I think he put it in a different branch. So this was my change. All right, let's get back to Dash Evo. And dash core lib. All right, dash core lib. Let's maybe search this repository for Vite. Nope, no complaints. I feel like there should be a complaint, but dash core lib, but I'm not using it that way. Package.json, files, contributors. So if you include dash core lib without using the dist file, which is what I'm using, it kind of freaks out. But it's freaking out anyways. Ugh. Oh, what to do here? You know, I don't know what to do about this. I think it's something that needs to be skipped by Vite. CommonJS dependency should not be excluded from optimization. If an ESM dependency is excluded from optimization but has a nested common, dependency should be added to include. Example, ESM dep CG. Oh, well, okay, maybe I should try that then instead of excluding. Maybe they change. So I haven't had to deal with configuring Vite in a while either, and I wonder if it could be something like this. So CJS step, and it is crowd node. Let's try that. Nope. Darn it. All right. I guess I'll add this on too and see. Ugh. What the heck? What if I disable all of that? Nope. So include crowd node, whatever. By default, link packages not inside are not pre-bundled. ESBuild options to pass ESBuild during the depth scanning and optimization. Certain options are omitted since changing them would not be compatible with Vite's depth optimization. External is also omitted. Use exclude. Plugins are merged with Vite. Um. Hmm. Maybe. I will try to exclude all of CrowdNode. I don't know. I'm running out of ideas here. I did not exactly plan on going down a rabbit hole just for this. That was last night. All right. Mother effer. I'm getting annoyed. Where was it? Come on. I have another idea. What change did I make here? Oh yeah, I remember. My other idea is to delete the node module. Okay, so reinstall. I think Vite stores a cache in there. I don't know if that could be it, but nope, not it. Okay, what about this? Save and run build. Unexpected token. And that is in -evo -core lib dist that. And it is at that point, so go Current line. Is there only one line? So go to one character two. All right. So WASI snapshot preview. There's WASM code in this? What? Is that for real? I don't like that. I do not like this code. What is all of this? I do not feel like code should be like that. What is this? Buffer window. Including some sort of freaking buffer? I don't like this. Oh, that's right. They are freaking using BrowserFi or something to compile this down into a browser library. And this is what you get. This is annoying. What the heck? Where was it again? Dashcore lib. It's based on Bitcore lib, which is a Bitcoin thing, I believe. And so they're kind of just doing whatever the heck Bitcoin was doing. This is even archived. Bitcoin library. This repo has been moved to Bitcore's mono repo. Well, what do they do in the mono repo? Okay, so I want to open that. This version is what? 4.0.16.0 versus 8. That's a huge freaking difference. It might be time to update. Oh my gosh. Yeah, they're bumping to version 19, so they're like a little bit ahead, but based on this really old version, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh. That's not great. I'm not gonna lie, that's not great. I wonder if this would import and have the same issues, though. Browser request. Browser request. That's interesting. I've seen this is how Cool AJ86 does things, but I'm kind of curious to see what browser request is pointing at. Like how did they define that? It was only referenced in that one location. Oof. that is also 2 megabytes. That, oh boy. But at least they have, so they have bitcore.lib there. I wonder if Dash, so Dash core lib, it doesn't look like they have a file like that in the root directory. The only place I've ever found it is, maybe they don't even show it in here. So I know there is a dist folder when you npm install it. So in the npm install, they have the dist, but the dist only provides, I think by design, this dash core lib min. So that's their unpackage, but so do they use gulp in here? Doesn't look like it. They use Webpack. Is the newer Bitcore use Webpack? If it does, it wraps it in gulp or something. But even then, yeah. They have Bitcore build. Bitcore build package. So still gulp. They use Browserify in there. This is so weird. I'm smelling like onions. Like, it smells like there's a freshly cut onion, and I don't know why. That is very odd. Is this the actual latest? So V8? No, it's not even the latest. So 39? Is that the latest? It looks like it's definitely later. All right. And is it in sync with master? Yeah, more or less. Huh. All right, so Dash core library, a pure and powerful JavaScript Dash library. Dash is a powerful new peer-to-peer platform, decentralized nature, blah, blah, blah. To build a Dash core lib full bundle for the browser, it will end up in dist. Some functionality is implemented as a module that can be installed separately. Oh. I wonder if how CrowdNode is using it. Let's take a look at that. I think I got it open somewhere. Yeah. I think. Let's see. All right, I think this is it. So we've got CrowdNode. Let's do a poll. Oh wait, I'm on get poll from origin. And then main. Okay. Oh, maybe I want to switch to browser. So browser and get pull from fork and fork browser. Still no? What the heck? I thought that was merged. That's bizarre. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't matter that much. Okay, so it's using dash core. That's not right. Didn't. A branch. Yes, I know. I want to update my branch to get pull from origin and origin browser. Please, you shut your mouth. Just freaking pull the latest version. Pull from origin and browser. Oh my gosh. Okay, finally. And I'm guessing, yeah, that has it removed. Okay. And it has dash core. That's what I was looking for. So I implemented that. There's dash core there, and then there's browser dash core, which points to this. But now I'm wondering is all of dash core needed for CrowdNode? So I want to take a look and see what's actually being used. So dash core private key, private key, private key, private key. That's the only thing used here. But I know one of these other files uses dash core. So that uses dash core transaction, private key, and some imports and private key. Okay. So let's see if these others, payment protocol support, peer-to-peer, dashboard, JSON RPC, mnemonics, elliptical curve. Let's see if any of these have the private key in there. Oh, and that's even been archived. That's cute. This package has been deprecated. Dash core mnemonic is superseded by the functionality in dash core lib. Please use that. Cute. All right. And hey, look, private key. That's what I was looking for. But I guess it's part of Bitcore. That's sad. What about this one? This is the elliptical curve. It does have private key right there, but I don't know. I don't know if that's going to be the right type. Mnemonic. This package is also deprecated, okay? To HD private key. That's really sad. This module is superseded. Oh, gosh. You're killing me. Dash client library to connect to dash core dash D via RPC. So I don't think this one's going to have the private key thing. All right. Dash core P2P. Probably not this one. Yeah, peer. I'm guessing no. And payment protocol. What do we got? Payment request. Not seeing private key. I do have kind of one idea left. Well, there's that. Let me look at that real quick. So you find private. So derive private key, how to use. All right, let's see. And is needed to be able to spend funds and sign transactions. Create and derive extended public and private keys according to BIP32. Provides full support for BIP32, allowing for many key management schemas. I mean, this one doesn't say it's deprecated, but it is, 4-ish years old, at least. So it's probably deprecated and just no one updated it to deprecated. So inconsiderate. Files changed. Yeah, even that uses the private key from the Bitcore. That sucks. That really sucks. All right, let's search for private key and see what we can find. So we'll start in this repository. ToBuffer generates buffer without padding. Private key is not defined. Does not load in browser. What's this one say? Why doesn't even mention the private key in there? That's odd. You could try searching the parent repository. What? So lib private key. Lib. So it's there, it just didn't find it. That's cute. So cool. Oh, what does private key depend on here? Address, encoding, base 58 check, crypto, BN, JS util, networks. Yeah. About searching what, like ESM? No, CJS fails to parse. What about Webpack? Test and build. Migrate from Gulp to Webpack. Use Webpack built module for browser. This is not great. I'm not liking this. Let's see, what are the, I mean, someone committed something 7 days ago. What was committed? So a version bump, move ESLint config prettier. It's very small. Payout. Well, I mean, I guess it has had some semi-recent updates at least, which is better than nothing. Does it have any information? No, not really. Changelog. That's not very helpful. Except PS2H for proposal. What about import? Not import. I'm getting tired. Tired of this crap. What the heck? All right. Vite Bitcore. Oh, that's inconvenient. There's a freaking symbol for Vite. Vite.js. A full stack Bitcoin application It's mostly JavaScript. What was I trying to search again? Vite. Nothing. What about here? Vite. Import. Well, it's better than nothing. Maybe, I don't know. Examples. Find. Import. Import an address via with. Well, Bitcore, Bitcore lib only has a couple. Fix double import breakage. Use global instead of import Lodash into the all amounts for more than one instance of Bitcore lib found. Let's see, JS-private key. I wonder if there's any alternatives to this. Commit does not belong to any branch on this repository and may belong to blah blah blah. Dash. Interesting. Maybe Vite import browserify. What's it do? I'm using Vite for some front end, and when I use an external library, which is using the path library, it throws this error. Module path has been externalized for browser compatibility. Unexpected token. Sure wish I could see all of that. Ah, it's just so freaking annoying. Well, I'm probably not going to solve this today. I think I'm going to have to reach out to someone else to see if they know. This is just, it's disappointing and annoying, and want to find a way around it, but I don't know if there's a way around it. Have I missed trying anything? What else could I try? What about Vite? Maybe there's something else in Vite that I could try. Build options. Module preload. Module polyfill is automatically rejected. Non-HTML custom entry via rollup options, then blah, blah, blah. Right. Dynamic require root exclude, which specifies the files in the build the plugin should ignore by default all files with extensions other than those in extension CJS. Instructs the plugin whether to enable mixed module transformations. This is useful in scenarios with modules that contain a mix of ES import statements and common JS require. Sets true if required calls should be transformed to imports and mixed modules or false. Okay, I know I had something like that. Okay, so what if I do true? I don't think I changed that already, so let's reset that and build. Nope. So that didn't work. What about toggling this? Build. Hmm. Well, maybe let's try that. Common.js, ignore, and let's do this one. Okay, and build. Oh. Well, clearly I wasn't expecting that to work. I don't know if it really worked though. Um, huh. Well, let's take a look here. Just assets index. Okay. Not that I'm gonna read through that. I believe npm run preview should launch that. So we got 4173. See if this works. That doesn't bode well. Require is not defined. You don't say. Well, I got past the error, but so by default, this plugin will try to hoist require statements as imports to the top of the file. While this works well for many code bases and allows a very efficient ESM output, does not perfectly capture. So strict requires auto boolean debug. Dynamic require targets. Some modules contain dynamic require. It also. Dynamic require root. To avoid long paths when using the dynamic require targets option, you can use this option to specify a directory that is common parent, which specifies the files in which to exclude. All right, so include extensions, ignore global, transform next ES modules. What if move that off screen? Let's see. If I set this back to true, no, that's same file size, so true. Let's comment this out and break. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. ESM externals controls how to render imports from external dependencies. By default, this plugin assumes that all external dependencies are common.js. This means they are rendered as default imports to be compatible Node.js, where ES modules can only import a default export from a ES dependency. Input, output. This is likely not desired for ES module dependencies here require. You set ESM externals to true. This plugin assumes that all external dependencies are ES modules and will adhere. Default is module exports. Default is auto. What is returned when requiring an ES module from a common JS file? Ugh. All right. I think I'm going to be done. I want to be done. I don't know what to do about this right now. So, yeah. Mm. It's interesting. What about Cloud Node and that? So even those things don't seem to work. Huh. And I deleted the freaking plugin. Of course I did. So node globals module and node modules. In my project, I solved the configuration with blah, blah, blah. Polyfill node OS module with Vite rollup. So there might be some form of combination that I could use with this. Let's see. I is that something like that? Okay. which should give me this. Is that what I had copied already? So import that, and I'm looking for this. But yeah, so I'm gonna wrap that in curly braces. And what else? Enable this. Right, let's try that before I move on. Oh, wait. Let's redisable that. And I think it'll still break, but you never know. Yeah, still broke. What if I disable that? Um, node polyfills and roll up options that. Okay. That's down in build. That. All right. Comment. All right. I'll try this too. Yeah. Felt that like that took a little bit longer and it got me all excited. What about this? Yeah, let's see if changing the target does anything. Optimized depths, yes, build. And target. Oh, that's got, yeah. Let's fix that. All right. And build. What about 2022? Nope. Hmm. All right, I'm done. Yeah, I'm gonna be done. Let's where's the thing? Majigger machine. All right, thank you for tuning in. You know, if you liked or enjoyed any of it, feel free to follow, like it, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. So thank you, and I hope